Hello, Skeletor Dave, and today's Train Car Thursday. And today I have a Lionel pre-war Uncataloged car made from 1939. And this is what it looks like. These are relatively uncommon. You don't see too much of these. So that's that side. Not sure why it's Uncataloged, because I think probably would have sold well if it wasn't. But it's all original condition. Mine is really nice. It's missing a little paint in a couple places. But it never had any of the brass or nickel joiner boxes. It always had the black ones. So that's kind of unique about this too. And it had nickel all the way around when it came to the piping and the dome, so it's always nickel. So yeah, kind of a unique car. Just I'll share that today on Train Car Thursday. And this is a book I got of Lionel pre-war items. And there it is right there. And on top, you can see 1939 orange and shell, nickel, that means, and then Uncataloged. So anyways, that's my video for Train Car Thursday. One more overview of it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.